This is not about, this is what never about the kids. It's about me and Akeem and how far we reach of a star fuck yet. It's what it's all about, fam. That is what it's all about for Jake from the beginning. So I don't know. The one I want to come and talk about, oh, and the man want us. Because the only reason why you carry the girl in my bed because you feel like say, yeah, me and Akeem start fuck now. And you not see me and him on the camera. And you don't know if we attack. So you do one up. So you feel hurt, so you try to hurt my back.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers, you already know the thing set. But bless. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat, and as you can see, on the screen. Yeah, people, these two Jamaican parents seem to be competing for love. Putting in the comment section what you think about that. Because you know Jake got her live earlier today, say, you know, he want to bring Barbara overseas for her birthday. His man say, and him did a plan it with their daughter, his daughter, Shanty Boo. His man say, and you know, Rosealee not too like that, so she fall back on the scene for say, your own boy wicked. And all of these things that he's doing is just because of Akeem, right? As you know, I said if I was Jake, I'd have been rich up a club mecca for mash up the place because we can't have a girl out here. Have a man a dagger out and all type of skydiving in a pony and all of these things, you know. You know what I mean? So it look like him see they having plan when him jump on the tag. But thing not really pop like that. You see what I say? But nevertheless, if you want to see this part of the video with Jake talking about, you know, these type of details, or they can go to the end of the video. You see what I say? But right now, let's hear what Rosealee said. Because one bag of thing I Lego, you know. You see what I say? So that's like, and share the video on all social media platforms, and let's get into it.
Getting a fresh stock clothes and say, pin them one, say, pin them one that. Only God gonna care about Pitney. You know, some make sacrifice, a lot of sacrifice to my kids, them. I buy them what they want. For them comfortable. Me I grow girl Pitney and boy Pitney. And you go on Airbnb. You ever know that? Me sacrifice a lot for my Pitney them. Lovely. I know I'm a sacrifice my Pitney them. Lovely. Me no like say when Pitney beg. I show them young, you easily go under the influence. Anything easily influence you. So if you're lacking something, me no want them beg. So me beg for them. So I try to make them comfortable. Anything you want. If you don't want to, because sometimes people don't want no food, you know, they just want money in their hand for look upon it. My son, I tell you my son stay. My son who just want the money for look upon it. I'm saying, where you go buy? I'm thinking about it. And for you go think where you go buy that me you don't want nothing. Mark my word. For you ever sit down and think where you go buy, you don't want shit. Nothing you don't want. So I know him stay. Him like him food when Barbara like him food and him look at money in him pocket and him gadget. Happiest day in life. No worry him. Happy when he can sit down and eating food and done eating food and playing game. Shanta she want one yellow blow dryer. I forgot fight one yellow bird. Blow dryer, I don't know where I go find it, you know. But I forgot buy it on one laptop. No, I forgot find it. I can make triple bite for me. I'll take away you with them. That's not about my fuck life. Because you're not giving me jealousy. Until you come and talk about the boy and the things them. It just say this wasn't about the kid. But I know. We just left up on social media and ravel up the sentences them. Where am I going on? Because that you know, ravel up. We don't ravel it up for fix it together. This is not about, this is what never about the kids. It's about me and Akeem and how far reach of a star fuck yet. It's what it's all about, fam. That is what it's all about for Jake from the beginning. So I don't know. The one I want to come and talk about, oh, and the man want house. It was all about me and Akeem. I would start fuck yet. How far reach tonight. I would to when I tell you now see me and him, yeah, one ever still a talk or not. So it's a positive thing. Me understand what the makings, you know. So if you come out to him is a positive thing, so him don't know. So when the screener card run, Sunday, when the screener card run Sunday, I realize say it's here, you know. It's sweet, yo. When all of them it's sweet blood, oh, the boy don't want her. It's sweet, yo. But when I see the screener card run, I just see me and him, they are Cayman and Spark or whatever. How would they make a blood clot? Pussy clot. They gone back in a one different dimension. Last time I got shoot at one different dimension. So it's not about the kids, it's about me and my crutches. For Jakes. No people no don't know that. Because they don't know him. Like I do. Yeah. Because the only reason why you carry the girl in my bed because you feel like say, yeah, me and Akeem start fuck now. And you not see me and him on the camera. And you don't know if we attack. So you do one up. So you feel hurt, so you try to hurt my back. That's why you carry in my bed, go fuck. Because you feel like you don't know how far we reach. You don't know how far reach if you are fuck or not. So that's why you carry in my bed, go grind her for hurt me. But you can't know me and Akeem a fuck Jakes because me not gonna tell you. And social media can't know either. Because we can't be fucking and him say we not fuck and we are fuck. That is how discreet people live with them life. So yes, anyway you go you lose. And you don't know shit. And you will never know nothing. And you can't say me and don't know nothing. So you, if I want puzzle, you gotta always have try to fix. And can't fix it because you could never know. You will never know. You can know. All you gotta do is guess and spell and assume. Always guess, spell and assume. That's it. You can't know nothing. There's gonna be on private something nobody can know. It's gonna be 2 walls keep a secret. Yeah, can't know nothing. A 2 walls will keep that secret there. Secret say between me and 4 walls. You can't know. You can't know. So nobody guess to spell it. And nobody spell it for guess. You can't. But the one thing more I have to tell you. It's the truth, me know you can't get on my bed, go grind on my bed when me pay for. You don't have no morals to me. You say you hurt me, you did. When me and boy not in nothing. You can't come back here, so. It's true, me know say you're evil, but don't even want to call upon phone for you tape me. To all you're evil, but never want a conversation about you upon a phone. Because you're evil. Because if the people need things that you can't buy, you could have said to me, June, you know, so the clothes them under the yard would have want to wash because you're not there for money. I'm busy on social media and can't do it. Is that they make me come for them and wash them, or you give me a money coming out of it now to go buy some more. Me that get you know that. You just go and come on social media come bring me blood clot down. Owen! What happened? Yeah. You could have called me. I said them want me to bite. You never come on social media come ball out. Cause you want to paint a picture so she can go shoot last night and I put them need things. You's a wicked. When you leave what day, you say you leave with the things them and Vidal and the jar with the rat shit. You're wicked. Me know what them text my phone or call it. Me not like back and belly rat. Jakes is a back and belly rat. You could have text me or call me, come on to you, them text me or call me. Like how you can't text me and the home over here shoot for man. Come on, man, your problem. And when you steal out, you want your back for something. Hold my blood clot piece, guys. It's just because sometimes I feel like all judgment will take me. I mean, I really want a judgment pan because for the past couple of weeks, I stress to my neck, my teeth, my eye, my ears. Yeah. I'm going to look a party, I'm going to switch them party, and I enjoy myself. You understand what I say? You know, I just do one weekend because I know I come back at my yard. I say, alright then, like how them come and them there. Like how them come and them there. Me go test. Me go give Jakes a 5-day test run. See there? Feel to pussy clap. Trap me a try into the ranking. 5-day test run me a give me you feel. You see it? People have sense see it. And your time to spend where you have 2 and you can't spend it. 5 feel bad. So when I build a house, all them out to go. Cause upon all that's my house I want for bill and that's my house I want for done. When the house bill and done, cause remember me not live nowhere as how you put it to the world. Me not live nowhere, me are the worst. When your house done, all them are gonna cope. Sell social media one dream. Say, oh, yeah. And I gonna get the pity them. And when the time come, I gonna get the pity them. I gonna have them. When you have them, where you gonna cope? Your mother written if you ask that. And the people them will love chat. And your best to them will attack all type of story make sense. Oh, you gonna cope? Because you can't cope now. You can't buy one packet. You can't buy one shoes for 15,000. I would have given one of that blood clot time and a pussy clot there. I would have given one next time I'm there. I would have given one next time I'm there, I swear. I would have given him one next time I'm there. I'm going to look what match play. No, for true. Come on, like kill this man. I play too much.
Trust PS. That's why I play too much.
I'm going to mute you because I'm kind of upset, you know. Come chat. I'm busy with them and them in a box. You're failing as a father. And I put the judgment on me like say, but do you something. That you always do you failing. You don't go mind to put them and come off for my man. We are worried about me for. Chat double. Everything them want me buy. Shoes, uniform, bag, every pussy blood clot. And the nigga every time but I say, Father God, me don't know if I why. Me have to tell Jake's full of bad mind, you know. Jake's full of bad mind, you know. Me say my baby father one bad-minded blood clot. Jake's full of bad mind. I never know so Jake's full of bad mind. Until me meet Akeem. Me know Jake's full of bad mind. It man do some things. Like if I'm the pin them bomb, me never spend $1. Yeah. 37 rose shot. Forever in a mash up, it left out of the place, and I can't find it. So I the one where them have a wear. I the one where them have a wear. A wear when I buy in April, I make him a wear back. When I go buy 2 shoes a morning. I go buy it, no worry. Double chat. Chat double. Chat not put none on the double. Chat make we use the double. Thank you, my baby. Come on, chat, make we use the double. Make we use the double, chat. We try to give him a 6. Come on, chat, make we use the double. Make we use it. Make we use it. Make we use it. Make we use it. Chat, make we use the double. I take his streaks. Appear meme over here. Appear meme because 14,000 people who can't win. Chat, make we go recharge, man. Chat, man. The people them soon come. We win. Don't worry. And I worry myself. When you stop asking me the bag of foolish system, no man. Them be up at the place and the shoes left up there. I 40,000. I'm get the girl for buy the 2 clocks. Clocks. Stop asking me foolish this now. Some couldn't find, we can't find film shoes on Sunday. I'm a call for the one where when I wear sect when I buy in April, I say go and wear that. But just buy it. For 2 months, then wear it for 2 months. And then another one, I can go back and stop asking my foot, ask Drake about him pitting them. Like, him telling a story. Sure. Chat we can't snipe. I want when the house done, we're going to see what I keep for when the house done, my love. I can't mind pitting. If you can't mind pitting, how you got done house? Right? If you can't mind pitting, right? If you can't mind pitting, how you got done house? I want to come back, you know, come like some look idiot on social media. Idiot. Eh? You can't maintain pitting, how you got build house? Eh? Every time I go to enjoy myself, I pure blood clot problem and Tory. With some school. I want that. Why, Harley Quinn. Child, what up, no? Don't worry.
If first win that, your blood clot, yo.
Don't worry yourself.
What's this say? Kean, first lady. All of my dad.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. My tap was them.
You know, you're not story. If I want to go source 2 shoes, I just can't figure it out. Let him just tell the person what I want, I just pay for. I have to go to work.
Really?
Want to win money where I wrong. Want to fee money where I get pan, yeah. I don't want to wear the same work. I know how much money I make. I can't watch time and him have money. But the ugly boy got chow.
One thing I can testify for they always link me for buy things for your kids them. You see our game? You see this one, you see me have a chat? When it just drop at Jamaica, Rose, I want the first person that link me for buy one of them for your son. Should take care of you them. When just chat about one see on camera. My team on the focus.
Me dey on the ranking board to me know him I make money. Me not buy nothing business that. I make Chevy T-Fit.
Team, focus. I lie no
Time to go back to the rest of money where Chevy have.
A big expensive thing she buy for your pitney them.
Make him go back to the rest of money where Chevy have. Where?
And when them just drop, she link me for buy one for your son. She take care of you them. When you just actually make sure vent. She vent. She have to defend herself.
Dibby no blood clot and wicked enough. Make Chevy find the rest of money where she thief. Take care of people them because them a look fuck for you. So stinking Chevy with the oh, and okay, I send two other pants come here, put them. What do you know past social media? Don't get me now a forensic. So still Chevy with upon oh, and I'm your Chevy, your first lady couldn't send you one 200 pounds. Go buy what you want for your pin them. We can't leave out she, no cash enough. We not leave out she. Cash enough. I'm never Akeem in the beg it him that give me long time. So like when I worries with the boy, kind of time you see the boy come around me, he get to know worried. For some reason, I don't really know how. Me don't know how. But if I him in the beg it him that give me it. Me never for ask 5 times, nor 2. Cause all on the worries. So she knows what she own, and he wants to leave. He wants to leave. He wants to leave. He wants to leave, and she don't want him to leave. Yeah, couldn't send anyone tones if you buy a pin and underpants and underpants and marina whatever them want. You know, so she go and nail. She go nail. I wanna put fear name in the record. It says still searching like Google. One on a body pan social media on a cloud tracer. I want be me and can't. Cause sometimes bad man I want to how you do it. When you can't do it. Nail she go. Cause I could not shut up to a wipe on social media. I might put them on things and him can't run out for broke him make me say for the chat for the truth. If I IPR do it for do it. So I was gonna nail why? Then you go to spot it whatever so you put them on pan and underneath you good. Then you go to spot it but you never say you put them on the pants and marina. My dear. My dear. My dear. You go to spa date, never say you put on underpants and marina. And a man she care about her, she don't care about her kids them. The guy don't you fall and never say pin them one this, say pin them one that.
Yeah, put in the comment section what you think about that. Anyway, people know we're going to hear what Jakes is saying about him surprises and thing. But we're not going to hear from you again. That's what I said. So don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell to be notified when I drop the latest stuff. Bless.
Yes, Baba, birthday is definitely loading.
So you load the man?
No, me buy film, me buy one film.
More say me can do something nice for him.
Do a party.
I bring.
One pool party.
We can bring him go for one holiday trip. Thanks to you, Will.
Yes, thanks to you.
No, must be your brother, me, your brother. But me ask him can do it for him, you know?
So
All the
the
paper never again. Not even remember the paper.
Remember trail,
All the paper go again.
which paper? That me have paper?
The tough one, oh yeah. Just remember now. That type paper. Paper that, yeah? So anybody want to put something towards Barbar December 22nd, can put it to the paper. See if we can arrange something and keep on big party. You know where the blouse and skirt, Ivany get that name from, you know? You know where Ivany get that name from, but Bebito. So that name Bebito. Yeah, so the PayPal, okay, so if you start, go deal with something nice for him. If I ever bring him small island there. The man on in a Bebito. Him down in Bebito. All the paper for now show.